Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Queen Beliza. This is me Shazia. In today's video, I am going to do a product review and the products which I am using are skincare brand products, and this skincare brand is very dear to me because it's a vegan brand and it's an Indian brand. So you must be wondering which brand I am talking about. So let's break the suspense and I'll show you the brand. It's Plum Products. I really adore this brand. This is very beautiful brand and very good for your skin. It's a 100% vegan and SLS and paraben free brand, so you're very assured when you're using it on your skin or your body. It's very gentle for your skin because it's not animal tested, so you will be very assured what you're applying on your skin. At times we are worried that what type of products which we are using are good for our skin or not. So using this brand is very safe. I can assure you, I am been using this brand from last 6 months, and I tend to use this brand and the skincare products from this brand on a everyday basis. The range which I am using is the green tea range. As I belong to a combination to dry skin type category, this range is really good for me. So green tea in this range helps to even out your skin. Using skincare products does not depend on your age. You can start from either 20 or after 30. It depends all on you. Even college going girls are to use skincare products because they are exposed to sunlight and UV rays tend to affect your skin very badly. It's very harmful. So starting it at an earlier age is very beautiful and very thoughtful, I feel. So here I have 7 products from this brand and I'm going to explain in detail each product. The first product which I am starting is the face wash. This is a mild face wash and it has green tea ingredients in this face wash, as you can see on the packaging itself. I really love the packaging of this product. It says everything what is there as an ingredient in this product and what are you going to apply on your skin. So I'll show you the texture and how it feels while applying this face wash. So I'll take a precise amount on the back of my hand and I'll show you the texture. It has beads in this, so it is very gentle and it also exfoliates your skin very beautifully. You don't need to apply a scrub after this because the scrub ingredients are already infused in the face wash itself. You can see it's very foaming and very gentle on your skin. Up next is the toner from this range. This is also a green tea toner, as you can see. I really love the packaging of this product. The leaf here indicates that green tea is infused in this product. I use this product daily from last 6 months and it has helped me to clarify my pimple scars and acne scars and clean my skin from within. I also use this product after I have removed my makeup. It also helps to remove the residue makeup very beautifully. After the toner, they have a setting mist in this range. This mist is very beautiful if you use it before and after makeup. I tend to use it after the toner as a mist to refresh my skin and to make my skin feel breathable throughout the day. This is very good also to set your makeup. After you have refreshed your skin with the help of mist, a very important step in your skincare regime should be moisturizer. So the green tea moisturizer, I'll show you the consistency of this moisturizer. It is really very beautiful and I'm amazed by the way it gives a sheen to your skin. You can visually see. It really sinks into your skin very beautifully and gives it a supple and a soft finish and a really good sheen to your skin. You can see. Up next is the face mask from this range, the green tea face mask. You can see how much I have used this product. I have already used halfway through this product. This is a very good product for your combination to dry skin. This is a very thick mask and it can be applied as a thin layer on your skin and it cleans and sucks out the dirt from your pores very beautifully. You can rely on me and you can invest in this face mask and you will be amazed by the results. I really love these products and I tend to use it once or twice a week. One more thing about this mask, this is a very tinny mask, so you need to do a patch test once you apply it. Before you apply it on all over your face, do a patch test on your hand and see for 5-10 minutes. If you feel safe, you can apply it on all over your face. Next and the second last beautiful product in this range is the night gel. This has a really beautiful texture to it. It has very gel-like consistency. You can see it is a gel and a spongy type of gel-like consistency. I'll show you the consistency of this product. This is very lightweight and it just gels up and melts into your skin very beautifully. You can just give a cute massage or beautiful massage to your skin while you apply this product at night time. So it will be on your skin and it will get penetrated to your skin, to your deep layers of your skin in the entire night, and you will get a soft and a creamy soft skin when you wake up in the morning. The last and the most beautiful and adorable and delicious and very yummy product in this range is the body butter. This is the kiwi and wild cherry body butter, and this smells divine, amazing. I just love this product. I use it every 2 to 3 days at night and just apply it on all over my body. I really love the smell. I cannot stop myself from smelling this product. This is very delicious product. You know, the topping of the cake, how it is tempting when an entire cake is in front of you. The same way, the smell of this product is divine and it does the perfect job of the things it claims on the product. It is very soft. This body butter sucks into your skin very beautifully. It is very mild and it does not leave you a greasy texture. So you can apply it on all over your hands, your body, your neck as well. Don't apply it on your face because you already have a lot of products to apply on your face. So you can give yourself a good pamper session at night with the help of this body butter and you go off to sleep. It is very beautiful, very beautiful. You can invest in this product if you don't want to go for entire range. Don't leave this product. This is very beautiful and I will be very happy if you tag me when you are using this product. And if you have not watched my previous video, you can go to a link in the description box below and you can see my other videos.